Hi, this is Brian Engelmeyer, your Director of Electronic Communications for the Speech and Theater Association of Missouri. I'm here with a brief tutorial on how to make sure you receive emails for the new school year and the 2018-2019 membership year. As you know, throughout the year you'll get various emails from the Stam board and our Executive Leadership Council about Stam related items, conference items, and various things throughout the year. When we have a new year, we always refresh our system so that we only have current registered and paid members of STAM in our email directory. When you get emails from us, that is a result of you being an active member. And our new system this year will require you to accept the invitation to receive those emails. So if you have registered and paid for the 2018-2019 school year, shortly in the next week, you should be receiving an email invitation that looks like this, letting you know that you have been invited and to join our STAM membership group. So all you have to do is, if you get this, accept this invitation, and then if you click down here where it says accept the invitation, you will then be activated in our system and you will receive all emails that come from STAM. If at any time throughout the year you would like to unsubscribe, at the bottom of our emails that we send out, there will be an unsubscribe button that you can click, and it will give you directions on how to unsubscribe. We're looking forward to seeing you at the conference, and we hope you're all having a great year.